In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. From today we will discuss Axel Pearson assignment. So let me move to our assignment. So we are just moving toward chapter 1. In start we just open our instruction file. Our instruction file is just getting opening. Then we have to click on enable the reading. Okay, so completes on exercise step 1.1 in e-text. Okay, so for this we have to open our assignment, just like textbook we have to open, then we can able to solve this assignment step by step. So let me first open my textbook. You may see from here, complete on hands-on exercise step 1.1 1A in e-text. Then complete hand-on exercise step 1.1 in e-text. So we have to open our e-text. Okay, so for this, but before going to solve this assignment step by step, today our assignment name is Exp25 Excel chapter 1 HOE Souvenirs. We just make this bold and change its color size also, so it must be visible to everyone. Okay, and here is the project description. As assistant manager of a celebrity musician service shop, you want to calculate the retail price, sale price, profit analysis for selected items on sale this month. You will calculate sale price used based on discount or rates. So finally, you will calculate the profit margin to determine the percentage of final sale price over cost. Then you will check the spelling autofill to complete sequence for product codes and find and replace the text in addition. So you will just adjust column and a row setting. So move and copy the data, format the worksheet, and then apply page setup option. So all these are just project description that what we have to do in today project. We will solve this project step by step, and again listen to me that we have to open textbook for this project. Okay, in today project we have how many questions we have 31, 32, 30, we have 34 questions. Okay, so we just discussed the name of today assignment. That name is Exp25 Excel chapter 1 HOE Souvenirs. Then we just describe the project description. Okay, now I'm just moving toward login, and then we have to open our e-textbook. Then we will able to solve this assignment step by step. So once we open our textbook, then we can able to solve this assignment. There are 32 questions you ask again. Then in first one we have to complete hands-on exercise step 1.1 1A in e-text. Okay, we have to read from their instruction. Then here is our solution file. Okay, I'm just opening our solution file. It is just getting opening. Okay, here is our solution file. Then we can able to fill this solution file step by step. Okay, Then in next part, in question number 2, we have to complete on hands exercise step 1.1. That's in 1b dash d. We have to read instruction from there. That is just 1 point question. Okay, we have to read instruction from e-textbook, then we come on there and we have to solve on there. So same way we will solve question number 3 step by step, then we solve question number 4, then we solve question number 5, then we discuss question number 6. Okay, in question number 6 we have step 1.1, that is 4d in e-text. Okay, that is of 2 marks question. Okay, then we move toward question number 7. In question number 7, there we have to move step 1.1b, that is in e-text, and that is 5 marks question. Okay, then same way we will solve question number 8, and in question number 8 we have to move toward e-textbook step 1.1 ef. Okay, that is also much graded, mean 5 marks graded. Then question number 9, we have to again move towards step 1.1 2a, and there from e-text we have to solve that part, that is also 5 marks. Then question number 10, same way we will move toward 1.1 2eg from in e-text, we have to solve that one because that is also much graded. So from question number 6 to question number 10, they are more graded, so we have to solve each and every question step by step. Remember that we have to open e-textbook for this, then we can able to solve this assignment step by step. Then there are many questions. Okay, then there is again 5 marks question come here and here, so it means they are much more graded and more important. Question number 13 and question number 14. Same way we will solve question number 22, 23, 24 step by step. Then there is again 6 marks question, that is question number 30, and that is in exercise step 1.5 2cf, that is in e-text. So in this way we will solve this assignment step by step. For that we have to open e-textbook, then we can able to solve this assignment. Remember that we are discussing Exp25 Excel chapter 01 HOE Souvenirs, and in start we just discuss project description. Okay, step by step, then we move to instruction file, and there we just solve this step by step. Just we discuss how we have to solve this one, because all these would be possible to solve when we have e-textbook. Okay, so there is some problem in internet, so I am not able to open e-textbooks, so that's why I'm just discussing this exercise here. Okay, but if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, on my email ID, on my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may simply contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get E grade 100% marks. Remember that whenever I will solve your assignment, your marks will be 100%, and it's the biggest opportunity that first you get the result of your assignment, then you pay me. In this way you will remain just like safe and your result will be 100%. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. You remember that I am also expert of other courses, just like if you need help regarding mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, e-textbook project. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me on my WhatsApp number, on my email ID, on my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description. I am available. I will solve and you will get E grade 100% marks in next 1 hour. Remember that I will take maximum 1 hour to complete your project, and your result will be 100%. That's my guarantee, that's my promise, that whenever I will solve your assignment, your marks will be 100%. Okay. Remember that in today's video we have discussed Exp25 Excel chapter 01, HOE Souvenirs. In start we discuss project description, then we move to instruction file and just discuss how we have to solve question number 1 2 up to question number 34, because all questions are related to e-textbook. For that we have to open e-textbook, but due to internet problem I'm unable to open e-textbook. That's why we just discuss this assignment. So if you need any help regarding this assignment or regarding your course, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, on my email ID, on my Instagram ID. All links are available. I'm available. I will solve and you will get E grade 100% marks. Take care. Bye bye. Best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment. And before going to leave you, remember that here's Excel sheet where we have to work. Okay. So we will meet soon with our next assignment.